Assalamualaikum. Today's topic, chapter 3, squares, square roots, cube and cube roots. So for the first subtopic, square and square roots, so let me introduce you with the square and perfect square. So the product of a number and number itself is the square of that number. So for example, let's say, 5, if time with itself, which is 5, and equal to 25. So 5 times 5 is 5 square. Or we can write as 5 square. Okay? Since 5 times 5 equal to 25, so we also can write 5 square equal to 25. Okay, you have to take note that the product of two negative number is always positive numbers. So let's say negative 2 times with negative 2. Okay, this one we put a bracket because we want to separate the sign of multiply and negative. So negative 2 times negative 2 equal to negative times negative positive. 2 times 2, 4. So we can also write negative 2 square equal to 4. So it means that the product of two identical numbers, okay, two negative numbers, the product of two negative numbers will always be positive. So let's proceed with perfect square. Okay, what do you mean by perfect square? Perfect square means the product of two identical whole number. Let's say, for example, 1 square equal 1, 2 square equal 4, 3 square equals to 9, 4 square equal to 16, 5 square equal to 25. So all of these we call as a perfect square. Okay, because this one is the product of two identical whole number. Okay, so now we want to identify perfect square. Okay, we want to identify perfect square by using method of prime factorization. Okay, still remember this method? We learned this method in previous chapter, previous topic. Okay, so let's say for example we take 54. 54. Okay, so factorization 6 times 9 equal to 54, right? So 6 can factorize ni adalah 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 we get 6. How about 9? 3 times 3. Okay, so for 54 equal to, this one is dia punya factorization. Okay, factorization. So we just copy 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. So this prime factor cannot be grouped into two identical groups. So this one is not 54 is not a perfect square. Sorry, susah nak tulis ni. Kertas dia bergerak. Okay, so 54 is not a perfect square sebab kita tak boleh nak groupkan prime factor ni kepada dua kumpulan yang sama. Kalau nak buat ni 2 darab 3 satu grup, 3 darab 3 satu grup. Sama tak? Tak sama kan? So 54 is not a perfect square. Okay, good. Let's say example 144. Okay, so 144 is the product of 12 times 12. Okay, so 12 is the product of 4 times 3. Okay, this also the same one, 4 times 3. Okay, 4 is the product of 2 times 2. Okay, good. Number 3 you just copy, write down. This one also same. Number 4 is the product of 2 times 2. Okay. So 3, what should we do with 3? We just copy. So 144 equal to, we just copy this one, all this, okay? 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 3. So now you can see we have two identical groups. Nampak tak? 2 times 2 times 3 first group, 2 times 2 times 3 second group. Both are same, right? So kita multiply 2 times 2 4, 4 times 3 12, 2 times 2 4, 4 times 3 12 equal to 12 square, right? So when 144 is a perfect square. 144 is a perfect okay. So after this I will give you a question. I want you to answer. If you have any question you can PM me. Okay, bye.